Good morning, all.
Morning.
How are we doing today, guys?
Good.
Pretty good.
Good. All right, so let's get some attendance taken. I see Alan and Dominic. Herning will probably be in eventually. Corin, Chloe, and White. Okay, so with that in mind, let's go ahead and let's get fired up here. All right, share screen, boom, boom, shakalaka. Can everybody see the slides? Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay, so for everybody that wasn't here on Tuesday, you owe me a mandatory Ed Puzzle Zoom. You also owe me by 5 a.m. this morning, everything from slide 2 and slide 3. Yes, 2 and 3. Okay, then for Monday, quadratic graphing. And then literally this is the only homework that you owe me by Monday is number 5, or slide number 5 here. Now, find zeros all 3 ways if possible. That means, can you factor it? Okay. Can you use the quadratic formula? Okay. The third way is completing the square. And to be honest with you, you probably don't know that one. So it would be nice if you could get me 2 ways, if possible. Okay, if possible. So I probably ought to put a note on that right here. Well, that's interesting. That is also interesting. Okay. All right, that way you know what all 3 ways means. Okay. And submit that in due course. Also, slide number 6 and slide number 7 are not required. They are not required, but they are another example of what we're doing here. Then due Wednesday, you need to graph. Yeah, that's fine. Due Wednesday, you need to graph these 4. And then you have a whole bunch due Thursday. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so that the schedule still kind of stands. So yeah, that works for me. Okay, questions for you. I need to know, what slide are you currently on?
I'm on the graphing is all I have left to do till Monday.
Awesome. I put it in the chat, guys, if you want. What, Corin?
I was just saying I have everything done but the graphing.
Perfect. Okay.
I have everything done, but I can't remember which one it is. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm missing one though.
You're missing one. Okay. I'm on slide 5. Okay. On slide 5 is awesome. I finished all the delta mass, turned in all the work, and woohoo. Okay. Now, by the way, if somebody wants to get a head start, where could you move on to, guys? You know, slide number 8, it's more graphing. I mean, if you can already graph, go ahead and throw the other 4 out there. You know, that might be helpful to you. So if you get this done, go ahead and roll over here. Did anybody have any questions on any of those delta maths from slide 2 or slide 3? Hey, Caleb, what slide you on?
I have one delta math left on slide 3. I was gonna do it last night, but I didn't get home till late.
Okay, so then you're ready for, almost ready for slide 4 and 5 then?
Yeah.
Which are due Monday. Okay, well, that's not horrible. Okay, anybody have questions? Because if not, I mean, since I didn't meet with the other class yesterday, I will release you and you guys can go ahead and work. And seriously, I would make sure I had like slide number 8 done and be that much ahead for Monday if I were you. That's what I would do. Okay, but use the time wisely. Make sure you are all ready to go and caught up, because like Monday morning, 6 a.m., I'm going to put grades in. So, all right, guys, if there's no questions, you may log out. If you need me to reset anything, let me know. Anything you need.